Macon, Florida, growing manufacturing in the Sunshine State.
So he tried delivering olives to Italian restaurants for some time. He tried selling potato chips at county fairs. He got a job, when those things failed, he got a job basically sweeping up at a factory after hours. It was a hurricane shutter factory, and that's where he got his big break. He started to learn what the industry was like, and he realized quickly that he could have his know-how, he could learn the trade, he could bring in his education, and he could do the job better than what they were doing, more efficiently.
Wow.
So he ended up being a repair person for them. He would repair motors, he would install those motors, and then he had a bit of a falling out with the management and decided to branch out on his own.
Wow.
That
So
was
he
really
started
the
from
start.
ground, like
Really started from the ground, the drill and a bucket kind of approach.
what a story.